Hi, I'm Doug McNish, and I'm going to show you how to make a rice alternative using cauliflower. So what I've done is broken my cauliflower down into floret sizes and put it into the food processor. I'm just going to pulse a few times till the cauliflower become broken down into a rice size consistency. Once they're broken down, I'm going to pop it into my bowl, and I'm going to season it with a little bit of flat leaf parsley, some sea salt, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. And there you have it, raw rice alternative, quick and easy.